welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Mining may resume after 3 years. Formalities of granting lease take 3 years of time. Industry experts also confirms timeline. Prudent Exclusive. Mining operations to begin by September or October, policy by June. Full swing mining by January. CM reacts on mining resumption. BJP welcomes Supreme Court decision, assures action against those involved in illegal mining scam. Fast-track court reserves order on Tejpal's plea seeking CCTV footage. Children's court reserves bail order of Royal High School headmistress. And Depo Group expressed support for Olympic gold quest, desire to produce Olympic medalists. OGQ co-founder Geet Sethi and Vishwanathan Anand welcomed Depo initiative. Now news in detail. In spite of the Supreme Court order lifting interim ban on mining in Goa, it will take 3 more years for the mines to actually restart operations on ground. The Apex Court has cancelled all the leases in existence and has ordered to form a new policy to grant fresh leases and fresh environment clearances. Prudent tried to analyze the entire procedure and the time it takes to complete all formalities. Not less than 3 years are needed to restart mines in Goa by completing the whole procedure. Even industry experts confirm this to Prudent. Here is an exclusive report.
It might look like a ray of hope in the state of total darkness, but Supreme Court order on Goa mining has not facilitated restarting of even a single mine in the state. Prudent tried to understand the entire procedure where fresh leases and environment clearances are granted to new lessees. The timeline showed shocking period. Here are the details. For forming of new policy, time required is 3 months, filing of application 1 month, allocation of leases 1 month, sanction of central government 6 months, signing of lease deed 3 months, environment impact assessment 6 months, approval of MOEF 8 months, Central Committee approval 6 months, Pollution Control Board clearance 2 months, total time needed is 36 months. The above timeline clearly indicates that although it seemed like a deja vu moment on Wednesday, it wasn't even a moment worth firecrackers. Industry insiders also agreed with the timeline Prudent obtained from experts in government and the business.
गोंयाची मायनींग जवळ जवळ 3 वर्सां लागतली म्हाजे कोंतान तरी. ताची आयदर रिन्यूवल जावंक जाय किंवा न्यू फ्रेश लीज दिवंक जाय, मागीर ताजे EC जावंक जाय, मागीर ताजे मायनींग प्लॅन एप्रूव जावंक जाय. हे सगळें करता करता तो प्रोसिजर इटसेल्फ इज ऑफ 3 years. पूण ताजे बीन शॉर्ट सर्कीट जर समज प्रेशर घालून केलो आनी कोणी जर मागीर कोर्टान गेलो बाबा हें शॉर्ट सर्कीट तुमी केला तशें हें चलना म्हणून कोर्ट अगेन वील स्टॉप द प्रोसेस. सो इट इज बेटर टू फॉलो द normal process, only ensure that there is no unnecessary stoppage.
Mine owners are obviously not happy with the Supreme Court cancelling all their leases. They claim that their companies filed for renewal, but the then state government did not renew their leases, which put them in the grey area of law. They are contemplating taking further legal action.
जाल्यार आमकां इल्लीगल कित्याक ठरयला हें क्लॅरिफिकेशन घेवचें पडटलें आमकां. जर आमकां इन्वेस्टिगेट करूंक जाय आनी आतां वो कळ्ळा न्ही तांचो ज्युडिशियल मायंड कसो आसा, ताचेर आमी आतां स्टेप घेवंक जाय आनी ते घेवंकूच जाय, कारण की गरजे भायर आमकां इल्लीगल ठरयलें न्ही. नाव इफ स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट सेज नो यू फॉरगेट अबाउट दीस इशू एंड टेक अ फ्रेश लीज, वी मे थिंक ऑफ डुईंग दॅट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज अल्टिमेटली काम चालू करूंक जाय न्ही.
तुमकां कितें दिसता की तुमकांच परत ही लीज मेळपाक शकता?
कदाचित मेळोंक शकता. आतां स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान अजून कांयच स्टेटमेंट दिवंक ना.
The mood of industry says it all. Sesa Sterling share price fell by 4 rupees per share within 24 hours of the court order. The Goan mine owners have refused to comment openly on the verdict as they have realized that the order has left them high and dry. If they file a review petition, the matter can linger for more time in the court. For now, the ball is in the state government's court. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that mining operations will resume by September or October. By January, mining will commence in full swing. 2 more e-auctions are in the pipeline before monsoon. CM also cleared that state mining policy will be ready by June. Parrikar also assured that 80% local youths will be employed if any big player from outside Goa enter mining business in Goa. Barge owners are not satisfied with 20 million tons capping set by court.
मायनिंग पॉलिसी करपाक कमीत कमी 2 महिने तरी लागतले कारण ताच्या सगळ्या गोष्टींचो विचार करचो पडटलो ट्रान्सपरंट मेथडींच्यान जर मायनी गोंयच्यो चालू केल्यो जाल्यार गोंय गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक जबरदस्त फायदो जावंक शकता सप्टेंबर ऑक्टोबरान मायनिंग चालू करपाची आमची इच्छा डिसेंबर जानेवारी पर्यंत फूल स्केल म्हणजे 20 मिलियन टन्स ह्या रेटीन करपाक येतले
आणि मायनिंग पॅकेज जी तुम्ही दिताले ती कितले म्हयन्यांनी कंटिन्यू करतले
ना ती मायनिंग पॅकेज आमची मे मार्च महिन्यापर्यंत अजून पर्यंत आमी जानेवारी पर्यंतचे पयशे दिल्या 3 कितें तरी हप्ते फाटले 3 काय 4 हप्ते उरल्या 20 कोटीचे ते आता मे महिन्यापर्यंत बॅकलॉग क्लियर सगळो जातलो म्हणजे अप टू मार्च त्यो स्किमा पळय त्यो मार्चा नंतर अंदूच्या वर्सा तश्यो हाडच्यो ना आमी मॉडिफाय करपाचे आहा
फ्रेश लिजीस तेन्ना सपोज भायले प्लेयर भायले कोण प्लेयर आता
हांव अजून विचार करूना
ओके
आनी एकदा ट्रान्सपरंट म्हणल्या नंतर भितरलो भायलो हो विशय करतलो जर तूं जाल्यार ताकाय एक पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्कान एक भाग आसचो पडटलो कोण भितरलो कोण भायलो हाजे पयलीं डेफिनेशन सारकें करचें पडटलें
ना तशें न्ही म्हणजे ते मागीर ह्या लोकांक एम्प्लॉयमेंट दितले काय म्हणटा म्हणजे गोंयची मशिनरी गोंयचे ट्रक बीन ते यूज
नाही प्रायोरिटी सदांच एक त्या पर्सेंटेज भितर गोंयकारांकूच जावची पडटली जो कोण थंय रावन सफर जाता ताका प्रायोरिटी दिवची पडटली यू मे हॅव सम स्मॉल फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बट नॉट बीग सम फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी वील हॅव टू बी कॅप्ट फॉर दोज हू वेर अर्लियर एंगेज बट मे नॉट बी पार्ट ऑफ दॅट एरिया पण एक 75-80% थंयच्या जाका भुमिपुत्र बी तूं म्हणटा पळय ताकाच ती बेनिफीट मेळटा जाल्यार गांवभर सगळे कडेन वांटत गेलो थोडो बेनिफीट मेळटलो स्पील ओवर मेन बेनिफीट शूड गो टू द पर्सन हू रिजायड्स इन एक आनी ऑप्शन किंवा 2 ऑप्शन जावंक शकता
Sources from mining claim that at present only one mine can resume in Goa and that too of Rajesh Timlo. But mine owners will have to undergo rigorous legal tangle. Barge owners from Goa are not satisfied with 20 million tons capping set by the court.
मायनिंग डॅम्साचे फुडें कितें करपाचें ती ऑथॉरिटी तांणी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक दिल्या सो ते जर जायत बऱ्या भशेन जाल्यार आमकां एक क्वॉन्टिटी मेळपाक शकता कित्याक इफ इट इज ओनली 20 मिलियन टन्स ऑफ कार्गो then we will not get enough business because total floating barge total जर पळयली टनेज जाल्यार 6 लाख टन आसा so 6 lakh ton and 20 million tons will make only 30 trips so unless and until our break even is 123 trips so with 25% of the trips at 20 million tons we will not survive and will not be able to repay our loans interest and not even pay the wages of the workers so if our request will be that we hope that the government what we call decides on the dumps policy as early as possible.
This now there is some hope that barges will be repaired, but the fact is that barge owners do not have money for repairs. We are looking forward that state government will come forward and at least tell the banks to give us some money that we can repair the barges.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.